Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Oh, wow. If you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. We are going on a ride. We are going to the moon, and we're going soon. Now, we're talking about Enjin Token. No joking, 100%. The Enjin Token is one of my favorite, the Japanese token. The first Japanese token, the first gaming token to ever be created in the crypto market. You're looking at it. It had the highest market cap. I'm curious to see what Enjin is currently at right now. That is currently what I'm about to do right here. I'm going to get you a heads up because I'm not logged into the Coinbases we use. Our market cap of 1.6 billion. The volume of 653 million, 654 million, and more funneling in at the 834 million supply. 62% trading activity is a buy and the 38% is a sell. Typical hold time is 21 days. It's the popularity on Coinbase at number 43 token. It is breaking out. Yes, don't follow any of these candles now. I would definitely not do that now. That would be a waste of your time. Relative strength index chart, I would like to pay attention to that, see where we're at. The relative strength index chart is showing here. We only got a little bit more to go, and then we're going to be coming down. That's definitely happening. Well, what is the price, Wall Street? I'm going to have to break it down for you. If anyone's interested in the Enjin token right now, if you notice, I will start taking profits out. Most likely, if you see here, we definitely could hit some type of problem here. This price is the 201. We were basically right there. Now we already hit it once and hit resistance. If you see on the last candle, expect to break out this time. What am I talking about? Well, this was the Enjin. Right there. So 198 we were at. If you're curious to what that was, it was specifically there. 199, 198. It did touch on that last history candle. This is every 4 hours. What's up, Rand? Every 4 hours, this candle will switch over. We are just got a new one a half hour ago. So this is the 4 o'clock candle. The 4 o'clock candle is growing. We are breaking out. We are continuing to break out. This is looking very bullish. I do expect to take profits out at the 238 price. If I were you, I would maybe go a little safer. What's safer? Well, $2.20. That's if you are in a profit. If you are in a profit, I'm going to tell you right now, $2.19, $2.20. I would take 10%. Take 10% out, and if you want, do like a 30%, 25%, bigger chunk out at the 238. It'll make you feel better if we do hit there. It depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. Like I said, we had this neckline that we broke through. I'm kind of curious to see what's going to happen. It was an ascending triangle forming. If you look here and you get rid of this zigzag BS, which I would like to do real quick, pay attention to the Bitcoin price here. We come down a little, and we're still doing the upward trending ascending triangle. That's 1000% true. If you pay attention, right? Is that not an ascending triangle? And then we either break out here or we just go one more and then we do break out. And what do you see here? Well, shabam, shebang. It's an upward W. Excuse me. Oh, gosh. Hit that like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Not many people are maybe interested in the Enjin token. That's fine. Not everyone's interested in money. Not everyone. This is a pretty good coin. It's the first crypto coin that was a video game based off a game. There's more now. I get it. So it's lost some of its luster after some time. The Enjin token, it really did. But listen, it's breaking out now, and that's really all that matters. If you pay attention, what is an upward W? If you're new to the channel, if you're new to crypto, those are the types of upward Ws we see on the TradingView chart here that we're using. Could we be done? Yes, we could be falling. We could be basically receiving. This could be it right here. This could be the profits you may want to be out at now. You may want to take some. That's why it's so important, because the whales are kicking ass. But I'm telling you, it's still not done breaking out. I do expect to see this 219, 220 for sure. But this is why the whales are so manipulative. It makes me feel like I'm backtracking here, and I'm like, oh, no, do this, but don't do that. I'm not a registered financial advisor, as we remind ourselves. We do this for entertainment purposes. We do have a good time. Notice and pay attention. Anchor's out here. Anchor, will the big bad boy stanker, be at 13.5 before we do see some problems there. But just remember, I'm taking profits at this price. It's very important. I'll hang it out over here so this way you can see it clear. That's the Enjin token. The Enjin token tokens breaking out. It's looking good. Can we go higher? Yes, we could break higher, and then we could see this price at the 256. I'm telling you that we could hit the 256, 257 mark very easily. But the problem with that is I'm not going to wait around and have my profits disappear and hope that I waited for that price and then say, oh, shit, I wish I took profits where I was supposed to. Don't do that to yourself. Make sure you take the profits when you're supposed to. The profits is whenever you have them. That's how the whales are working right now. It's getting really bad. BNB. BNB, the Binance token. This is based off the Binance platform. I'm telling you right now, it is a very, very sexy pick. It's doing very similar to what the Bitcoin price was doing. It's following Big Daddy, right? We all say that BNB token. We're doing a bunch of different ones. We did Enjin. Enjin was the top talk. We're going to go back to Enjin to end it because it's like an Enjin video. But if you see, we broke the neckline here too as well. And now we're just looking. But if I do notice, whoo, if that's not a bullish looking flag, holy cow. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines, no pun intended, to the price of the Enjin token. Peeling shrimp from my restaurant and watching Wall Street Pete live. Damn, I wish I was peeling shrimp. I would have a little bit of the cocktail sauce in the side here, and I would just be getting my protein. Because I did good today. And hashtag show your guns. Hashtag show your guns. We're going to be winning. PlayStation 5 is pretty much what we're talking to do. So hashtag show your guns. Whoever had the biggest growth in the month of June and then the end of July. So we're doing June and July, end of July, maybe beginning of August 1st. That's probably what I'll do. I'll be raffling off August 1st, probably a PlayStation. We're going to talk more about it heavily on the month of June 1st. So June 1st, I'll be promoting it. 5 more days. Pay attention. Enjoy your Memorial weekend, and then you're going to want to know how to get the Instagram hashtag show your guns, because you're going to be getting a PlayStation for free. And if you don't want to know how to do it, then you don't show me your guns and you don't get a winner. This is a bullish flag. If we talked about it on my show, well, we talk about it. A bullish flag, this is what we're seeing here. If you don't notice it, well, that's exactly what the bullish flag is looking like, and it is sexy Rexy. And if you don't see what you're doing here, now you know, biatches. That's not going to happen. Let me show you what's going to happen. I want to break it down to you, the Wall Street Pete mode. This is the Binance token. This is a really good coin. This is a really good token. This is not one of your shit coins, okay? There's a lot of shit coins out there, and I'm really sick and tired of dealing with the shit coins. If you pay attention right here, we broke down a little bit. We started hitting. It became an old resistance, and if you look at the price here, if you banged it out, I don't know. I'm telling you, I'm just confident in my TA. If you bang it out, you should most likely have a price where we've been previously. An old resistance. I hate TradingView sometimes. I really, really hate TradingView. And you know what, you get what you pay for. You get shit for free. Well, you get what you pay for. It's the truth. I'm going to come down a little more. Here it was. If you see, that was hanging out for a little bit right on there. It was hitting resistance. It's not a lot. But now, if you notice, it's now going to be previous. It'll be support. I'm going to tell you right now, don't be surprised. If this is what happens with the BNB, just don't be surprised. There's 2 options here. And none's either going down is my point. I really don't see it happening. This is insane. I'm not saying it can't happen. There's always a possibility of everything because the whales are in control. BNB token, this is what I see happening. Then you can't fall down to here, but you can do that type action. It will come down to this price here, which is the 349. We're trading 370. So the 349, 345 is the price that we could come down on this leg on the second W. If you want to check me and watch, well, don't believe me, just watch. I'm telling you, that's what's going to happen into here, the 345. It could come. It depends on the relative strength index, and then you do that as well on the Bitcoin. This is not Bitcoin, I'm sorry, the BNB. Which one do I want to do? Let's do something different. I like to do I haven't done the DMAC. EMA ribbon is always a fun one as we're about to watch these flip. Oh, yeah, this is very bullish. This is very bullish. I'm sorry, but I see the EMA ribbon flipping. I don't know how nobody sees this. I need to check the Bitcoin dominance because something is happening here. We're going to check the Bitcoin dominance in a minute. What happens when my EMA ribbon flips? Well, we see the price average going up, and then we see what's going on. We're very bullish. Then it flipped back. If you see what happened when the red line flipped back, Opposite of what we're trying to do here, well, we become very bearish and we start falling, and the sky's falling little, chicken little, but then we hit this bounce. We hit this previous resistance price from back in the day in April 5th. That's where it was, and you pay attention definitely to mention. Here we are. It's falling. It's really not the best one. 325. I apologize. I have some really shitty technical here because of what's going on. So go up. Let's get a better accurate. It was 320. So to get exact accurate, I'm sorry. I have a really shitty arrow here. This support line's bad because of what's going on with TradingView. I was going too far across. It's fine. EMA, exponential moving average. Pay attention to it. I'm looking for my line to cross here, my EMA ribbon. When they do, I will see that we're bullish action. For how long, I'm not sure. We have to pay attention to what the whales are doing. So going back, Chainlink, like I said, that was a cheap one. That's now gotten the EMA ribbon. I mean, they're all following suit. If you pay attention, they're all almost following suit. The ribbon looks the same. It's actually really scary. The market is all following. VeChain is very bullish. I see some 16.28 resistance. I see that happening. That was before. That's going to be very common. That's definitely going to happen. Don't be surprised on the VeChain, as we spoke about that before. Year in finance is looking very bullish. I do see another flip. So we're going to get some either flip or we're going to get the downside now. So now what's the bearish side of all this, considering we just sat here and talked about all the other nonsense? What's up, Martin? Can you also see the bullish flag in the 15-minute chart? This shows it on the BTC, right? Let's pay attention to see. That's a great question. That's why I like to read people's lives. I love it. I love it. So 15, I don't really see that in the 15 usually because of this. But then if you do this, well, I do see some bullish action on the 15. Go to the 15. Go to the relative strength index. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Oh, my God. Mamma mia. Papa pia. I'm sorry, but this is bullish as a mother... You know what? Come on. Wow. I'm dissecting it. Please give me a second. I'm dissecting the chart right now. So if you look at this action, because I'm trying to get the feel of where we're going on this pattern of this relative strength index. You got a W there. You went up. Then you see the M. You see how the M, it wasn't a downward M. That must have been like near the Elon Musk news or something. I'm trying to understand this chart. It's only 15 minutes, but I'm glad you brought it to my attention. There was a downward, and it was coming in here, and it's very similar. There it is. It's very similar to the same, and then when it comes down, what does it do? Right there, boom, falls, we get an up. Falls, we get an up. I don't know what everyone's looking at or what everyone's charts are, but I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Like, I'm really bullish. You know what's killing me? And I'm stuttering almost. What's killing me is the tether amount. Let me pay attention to the tether. USD tether. How much? Because it was 133 billion yesterday. Yeah, see, it's going up again. So if you look at this, it's 117. 117 billion on the tether. That is a lot of money. 117 billion in tether on the volume. That's a lot. They're waiting for another dip. So if I were to be an educated man, and I am an educated man, I see something happening here where we're falling and then we go back. There is definitely a dip coming. The experts are predicting this for a reason. They're good at this. You know what I mean? And I'm not the only person that's seeing this. I'm trying to really understand how it's coming because we're so bullish in the closer to short term, but I guess in the shorter term, there really is some dip coming. The price of the Bitcoin's coming out, the volume's coming out, the tether's going up, the stable coins are going through the roof. We're getting notifications being told, that the stable coins are going up. Bitcoin is, all right, so there's 300 million that poured in just now. Bitcoin has 300 more million volume that's funneled in. Nothing really bullish to talk about, but if we do get to the 40,000 price on Bitcoin, I do hope you understand no matter what we're at, what chart, if we break through here and we get this neckline and we do find the 40,000 and a half, that's really all we need. If we could really just break through here and just come back up with a strong, solid kick, man, would that be such a great move. I drove to a grocery store on Sunday to cash in a bag of nickels, dimes, and quarters so I could buy more Enjin at 80 cents. The fundamentals check out to me. Yeah, that's beautiful, Mike. That's what's up. Make that money, baby. Do it the way you have to. Listen to what Mike just did. He went to the store and he literally cashed his coins to get real coins. It's called the Enjin coin, the token. Good job for you, Mike. I think that was a solid move. I have a grandfather who is 90. God bless his soul. He is going to sell his as well, but he's not going to buy crypto. And I told him I'm really sad. You can't get an old man. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. The 50,000. Why am I fooling around right here? Well, I'm trying to explain to you that this is such a telling price. I do expect to be here June 4th. A lot of people think I'm fucking crazy. Well, don't believe me, just watch. Right? I can't even do it. My voice is shot. Boom, 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 boom. If you pay attention and you don't believe me, just watch. I'm sorry if I blew your eardrums out. This is definitely going to be the telling price of June. How dare I come up with that? How dare I say that? Yes, that's the kind of stuff I do. I said it's a very optimistic price. Yes, it is. But it's coming. It's around the corner. June of the 4th through the 5th. My price prediction is here for the BTC, the Bitcoin price. Pay attention to that. Twice as nice. I do expect this to happen. I'm excited, and you're mother effing invited. So Wall Street P-Crypto Crypto, we're going to be floating around this price. I do expect to be in the 45K area, obviously, first. I do expect the 44.5, 45.5, somewhere in that range. We are going to be stuck here for a minute on some small, quick resistance and then pop through, and then this is where we're really going to be tested our might. So I know this sounds crazy. We're far away from all of that. Oh, Dr. Rennie, I got in late. What price did Wall Street Pete say he would buy into Enjin? Was it okay to buy in now at $1.90 or wait for a dip at a lower price? So, Mr. Rainey, I did not say when was a good time to buy in. If you did not get in on Enjin, I wouldn't buy in. That's my personal opinion. That's my technical analysis. If you do not own Enjin, I would not follow that wick. This could fall down and create. This could be the shoulder. So let me teach you what's going on. This could be the head. I do expect it to be the shoulder. What am I talking about? Well, this is the shoulder here, so this is maybe wrong. That could be my shoulder. This will be my head. When I form my head, well, then now we're stuck. This is the highest price we're going to be at of the month of May. I'm trying to explain to you that this may have been the highest price. Everything's doing this. Could be. Could be. It's not a fact. Not a fact, but it could be because it's starting to look that way. We're starting to form a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulders, head, shoulders, knees and toes. You know that song? Hit that like, subscribe. It could be falling now, but I think it's a fake out. That's my personal opinion right now until we start doing a little more technical analysis. If I were to buy, I would buy a dip. I would turn into a red candle. I would wait for this would turn into a red candle. What am I talking about? Well, this is something that we should be getting a retracement on because this right here was what, May 23rd, 3 days ago. So you could do the Fibonacci, but we don't have any red candles to work it on. Give me a second. So let's say we're getting the dip right now, right? We're getting the dip right now. Trying to set it up. Okay, so here it is. We're set up nicely. So let's say we're getting the dip, right? We're getting it right now, and this is the problem. I'm assuming there's a chance this is happening. This is the hourly, so we're only doing it on the hourly, so you get every hourly result on the Enjin token, because I said I'm going to finish the Enjin token with this. You could technically buy this. Unfortunately, we got to wait around for 8 more minutes. This is what I'm going to have to do. And then I have to get off because I got a lot of work to do in the next hour. I can't imagine what I'm going to accomplish in an hour. 8 more minutes here. I don't know if I can stick around, but listen, I'm expecting a breakout. This is definitely what I'm expecting. I don't expect this retracement. Pullback. Fibonacci sequence, the sequence of the percentage of the growth on how much we're still going on a bullish move. I believe that we're still flying through the roof. We're not done. If you look, this is the beginning of the trend. This is as low as we went, creating new lower highs. This is good. I mean, higher lows, I'm sorry. New higher lows. This is a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then basically until we get to the ultimate price of a parabolic move to where we're celebrating like crazy. $2.44 was my ultimate sellout. Yes, if I do believe that this is coming and we do break through this price, that's why I never sell out 100%. I will not sell out and liquidate 100%, but Enjin, I think I was going to do. I have a platform where I'm getting out 100%. I have another platform where I'm going to just hodl it. There's a reason. So listen to this. This platform, I'm selling out 100%. If you look at the 38.2% pullback, it's $1.49. So we're looking at a pullback of the Fibonacci pocket, the 150 mark. 150, we can fall down and still be very bullish. I'm trying to explain to you that if this happens, you will want to buy on that price. You will be going up twice as nice, and you will not be rolling the dice, because this will be technical analysis, and your technical analysis will look beautiful. You'll be creating a first shoulder, and then you'll be creating the head here, which is where the head is, which is why I guess they go in threes. Has anybody ever noticed that the market goes in threes? Well, there's a head and shoulders pattern. One shoulder, one head, another shoulder, and then there's your three. Believe that's what it is. I hope I shed some light into your thought process on this. I'm going to leave you off with the 244 price. We've been there too many times at the 244 level. I'm sick and fucking tired of seeing 244. If you look at the 244 price and you see here where we've been, don't expect to break through 244. You're out of your mind. 242. When was the date? The first day we hit it and got stuck was March 14th. Okay? So from all the way to March 14th, could you imagine watching this? I've watched this. I eat shit, sleep this. This mother effer pissed me off so bad I wanted to fight Enjin. I don't know if anybody remembers, but I said 244 out the door. We have to break 244. If we don't break it, we'll hit resistance. Well, we're going to hit resistance on the Enjin token. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. So if you've not hit the like button, please hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, you need to subscribe, because when you hit the bell notification, when I have really important information and we're breaking or we're not breaking or we're dipping, you're going to want to know. And if you don't know and you're watching an older video of mine, what fucking good is the video of old when it's completely doing the opposite of what I said, because now it's a fucking day old? It's no good. It's not going to help you. You need to hit the bell notification. You need to set up a YouTube account, and you need to get one and stop jerking around. This is the Enjin token. We're going to get that J-like substance, that loop. What at the end of the day is this full move here? Well, there's two loops and they form a W, an upward W. Every time the W on the bottom is lower price, it's higher, it's an upward. A downward M, well, you always have the M on this high hump. It'll always be lower, so downward. Same thing as the upward, so that's how you get that M's and W's. I just wanted to go with that with you. That's why we look for them. That's why it's so important. As you pay attention to XRPs breaking out, we do have a couple coins look to be breaking out. We don't know what's really happening. Like I said, follow Bitcoin, follow Big Daddy. It's definitely some type of a bullish flag I see here. The more and more I look at it, the more and more I see an ascending triangle. This is kind of exciting because ascending triangles don't form every day. What is this? It's an ascending triangle. For my peeps who don't know what it is, I love you all, so I break it down for everybody. Why? Because this is what I do. This is an ascending triangle pattern. What is an ascending triangle pattern? Well, initial rally, which we got, then the pause and consolidate. So we're consolidating, and it says consolidation. I know I hate when people read shit wrong, but I said consolidate because I know this is what we're doing. It's consolidating, and it's in rising support trend line. An ascending triangle pattern. The breakout check mark here is where it is. This is what's happening. The target objective. I'm telling you where the target objective is. The target objective is all the way to that price, is the 244, where we've been too many effing times before. Sorry about the end. That price there. Get rid of this, and that's what I'm telling you. Enjin token 244. I wouldn't wait till the 244. I would definitely get out around 243, 242. I told you to take some profits before the 240 number. I'm telling you to take some profits here again. It's going to break out. There's going to be a red candle or two that's going to shake you out. The whales are going to try and confuse you, and then you're going to go back up to here. Buy at your own risk. Do your own research. I am not a registered financial advisor, although I am working on Wall Street in the past and knowing some of this shit, having fun. It wasn't cryptocurrency, but hey, this is a great time to get into the market. Elon made it low for everyone. He got the whales in, and now we're going to become the whales with him. Thank you for the low prices, Mr. Elon Musk. We don't trust. But hey, Wall Street Pete, Sicto Crypto, have a great day. We're out of here. Let's go. We're out of here like Vladimir. Peace in and peace out.